Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to delete your profile picture on the Telegram app for PC. With the latest update, the process has become even simpler. Whether you want to change things up or just remove an old image, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're in, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. This is your menu button. Click on it to reveal a list of options. Next, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage various aspects of your profile. Now, find and open your current profile picture. Clicking on it will bring up options related to your profile image. Once your profile picture is open, look for the 3 dots located at the bottom right corner of the image. Click on these dots to see more options. Finally, select Delete. A confirmation message will appear to ensure you really want to remove your profile picture. Confirm this step, and just like that, your profile picture is gone. And there you have it. A simple step-by-step guide to deleting your profile picture on Telegram using your PC. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.